Looking for pinpoint precision in your construction or DIY projects. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 best laser levels in 2025, from self-leveling models to advanced 360 degrees multi-line lasers that pros swear by. Whether you're hanging shelves or laying tile, these tools offer unmatched accuracy, visibility, and ease of use. Stay tuned to find your perfect laser level. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert gear reviews. At number 5, LFINE 3D/4D laser level. Need laser precision on every job? The LFINE 3D/4D laser level delivers with 12 or 16 ultra-bright lines, covering full 360 degrees horizontal and vertical planes. Its self-leveling system triggers an alarm if incline exceeds 3 degrees, and a smart remote lets you control it from up to 20 meters away. With a 4,800 mAh rechargeable battery, it runs up to 6 hours non-stop. Plus, the digital display, USB charging, and real-time battery status make it incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're tiling, framing, or installing ceilings, this is the pro tool that gets it right every time. At number 4, Dewalt DW089 LG12 lines. Looking for professional-grade precision? The Dewalt 12-line green laser level is built for serious pros. With plus or minus 1/8 inch accuracy at 30 feet and self-leveling up to 4 degrees, you get pinpoint alignment every time. It runs on a powerful 12V max battery, while IP65 rated protection keeps it dust and water resistant on rugged job sites. Switch to manual mode to lock lines at any angle for stairs or custom layouts. At number 3, KEZERS 16 lines laser level. Need accuracy and durability in one tool? The KL4D03G16 line green laser level is built for serious work. With plus or minus 3 degrees self-leveling, pulse mode for receiver use, and an IP54 waterproof/dustproof rating, it performs reliably on any site. The bright 515 nanometers green laser ensures high visibility, while the 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery powers through 7 hours of continuous use. Whether you're leveling walls, ceilings, or tiles, this tool delivers unmatched precision. At number 2, FIRECORE 360 laser level. This laser level delivers serious performance for professionals and DIYers alike. With 4 by 360 degrees full layout coverage, you get horizontal and vertical lines for walls, floors, and ceilings. It's accurate to plus or minus 1.5 millimeters at 7 meters, and the self-leveling range of plus or minus 4 degrees ensures fast setup. The green laser beam is highly visible, even detectable up to 60 m with the FD30 detector. The 4,000 mAh battery lasts about 5 hours, and it supports direct plug-in power too. With IP54 protection, a remote control, and ultra-low 11 mm floor projection, this tool is ready for anything. At number 1, HUPAR S04CG CSET4D. If you want pro-level precision, the HUPAR S04CG C16 line 4D laser level delivers. Powered by a Germany Osram green beam diode, it projects ultra-clear 360 degrees laser lines with plus or minus 3 mm accuracy at 10 meters. Its LCD screen, Bluetooth control, and remote access make operation effortless. You get dual power options, including a 2,600 mAh Li-ion battery for 5 hours of runtime. With self-leveling, pulse mode up to 200 feet, IP54 durability, and smart app control, it's the perfect laser for tile layout, framing, and ceilings. Designed for serious work, built to last.